Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Studyship with Jitendra. And in this channel, I provide you MCQ questions for all competitive exams. And today, I cover Indian Polity Historical Part 2 Important MCQ questions. So let's begin. Question first. Which act is known as Act for Good Government for India? Option A. Government of India Act 1909. B. Government of India Act 1919. C. Indian Council Act 1861. D. Government of India Act 1858. And the correct answer is option D. Government of India Act 1858. Next question. Which act ended the system of double government? A. Indian Council Act 1861. B. Government of India Act 1909. C. Government of India Act 1858. D. Indian Council Act 1892. And the correct answer is option C. Government of India Act 1858. Next question. Dual scheme of governance in British time was known as A. Act. B. Diarchy. C. Regulation. D. Communal electorate. And the correct answer is option B. Diarchy. Next question. Indian Legislative Council was replaced by a bicameral legislature by which act? A. Regulating Act 1773. B. Pitt's India Act 1784. C. Government of India Act 1919. D. Government of India Act 1909. And the correct answer is option C. Government of India Act 1919. Next question. Government of India Act 1935 had dash section and dash schedules. A. 321 and 10. B. 345 and 12. C. 450 and 8. D. 274 and 6. And the correct answer is option A. 321 and 10. Next question. In 1862, which viceroy nominated three Indians to his legislative council, the Raja of Banaras, the Maharaja of Patiala, and Sir Dinkar Rao? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Minto. C. Lord Ripon. D. Lord Lytton. And the correct answer is option A. Lord Canning. Next question. By which act number of members in the Central Legislative Council was raised from 16 to 60? A. Indian Council Act 1861. B. Government of India Act 1909. C. Government of India Act 1935. D. Indian Council Act 1892. And the correct answer is option B. Government of India Act 1909. Next question. By which act separate electorates for Sikhs, Indian Christians, Anglo-Indians and Europeans are provided? A. Indian Council Act 1861. B. Government of India Act 1909. C. Government of India Act 1935. D. Government of India Act 1990. And the correct answer is option D. Government of India Act 1919. Next question. Simon Commission was held in which year and why all Indian parties boycotted this? A. 1919 and all commission members are British. B. 1927 and all commission members are British. C. 1909 and all communist members are Indians. D. 1928 and all commission members are Indians. And the correct answer is option B. 1927 and all commission members are British. Next question. Communal award is announced by whom and in which year? A. Ramsay MacDonald and in 1932. B. Robert Clive and in 1927. C. Sir John Simon and in 1909. D. Lord Mayo and in 1773. And the correct answer is option A. Ramsay MacDonald and in 1932. Next question. Establishment of Reserve Bank of India under which Act? A. Government of India Act 1909. B. Government of India Act 1919. C. Pitt's India Act 1764. D. Government of India Act 1935. And the correct answer is option D. Government of India Act 1935. Next question. Government of India Act divided the powers between the centre and units in terms of how many lists? A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. And the correct answer is option B 3. Next question. About what percent of the total population got the voting right under Government of India Act 1935? A 11, B 15, C 5, D 10. And the correct answer is option D 10. Next question. Who declared that the British rule in India would end by June 30, 1948? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. Lord Curzon. C. Clement Attlee. D. Lord Ripon. And the correct answer is option C. Clement Attlee. And he was British Prime Minister at that time. Next question. Which act create two independent dominion, India and Pakistan? A. Government of India Act 1909. B. Government of India Act 1919. C. Government of India Act 1935. D. India Independence Act 1947. And the correct answer is option D. Indian Independence Act 1947. Next question. The partition of two independent dominion, India and Pakistan, is known as A. Wavell Plan. B. August Offer 1942. C. Mountbatten Plan. D. Morley Minto Reforms. And the correct answer is option C. Mountbatten Plan. Next question. Constituent Assembly was formed in A. 1947. B. 1935. C. 1946. D. 1942. And the correct answer is option C. 1946. Next question. The Indian Independence Bill was introduced in British Parliament on A. July 4, 1947. B. November 26, 1949. C. August 15, 1947. D. July 18, 1947. And the correct answer is option A, July 4, 1947. Next question. The boundaries between the two dominions were determined by A. Mac Radcliffe, B. John Simon, C. Lord Curzon, D. Lord Mountbatten. And the correct answer is option A. Mac Radcliffe. Next question. Who is the first education minister of Free India? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And the correct answer is option B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. So friends, these were my 20 MCQ questions on Indian polity historical part. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my new latest video.